Hello friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 24-inch Sansui LCD TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is with the motherboard. Here the main IC of the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. So here we are going to install the U11 Universal LCD LED motherboard in this TV. Here you can see the voltage details. For installing the universal board, we need 12 volt supply for the working of universal board. See friends, here in this TV, it's a 5 volt panel. Here you can see this is the LVDS cable suitable for installing the universal board. See friends, now we installed the universal board in this TV. Here we connected the LVDS cable, 12 volt supply, BL on connection and the IR connections to this motherboard. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. Here the panel input VCC is 5 volt. So the jumper is put on 5 volt input VCC for the panel. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the picture comes and the universal board is installed successfully. Now the next thing is to fix this motherboard properly in this TV. See friends, finally we fitted the universal board in this TV. We screwed the universal board in the back cover of the TV. See friends, now the TV is working properly. See friends, finally now the default language is Chinese. So let's change the language to English. For that, go to settings and change the default language to English instead of the Chinese language. Now we changed the language. For any settings, we need to enter into a service mode. Service mode code is menu 1147. Here in this TV, there is no need to enter into a service mode because the panel LVDS mapping is correct. In this TV, there is another fault also. The fault is with the display. You can see the polarizer film is damaged. So for getting good quality picture, we need to change the polarizer film also. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.